Hello and welcome. Thanks for joining us today to learn more about what we are and how we do what we do. We are Privacy Labs. I am Paul Sterrett, the founder. Note Privacy Labs is one word. We are a small Silicon Valley based firm, remote only, so that we can stay lean and mean. We're comprised of a collection of subject matter experts so that we can bring the best of the best to bear on your needs. And we have a business model that's built to scale so that we can do heavy lifting where we have to. And we are a compliance technology focused firm. Despite our name Privacy Labs, we are here to accommodate just about any compliance framework. Our primary competitive value is our ability to bring the technical and non-technical folks together so they're speaking the same language. This allows us to bring sort of a coherent, risk-based approach to your compliance needs. There's no better way to find an efficient and cost-effective approach than that. One thing we focus on for you is the ability to find the most efficient solutions so that you don't have to spend more than you actually have to. In the context of compliance technology, we find four primary services are usually in play in one form or another. They are unify, automate, secure, and audit. We don't necessarily leverage all of them, though we do find there's significant overlap. And there's usually a synergy that comes with considering them together. I'll be covering those in turn throughout this video. But one thing we do focus on is what your needs and desires are to make sure that we get you the best result possible. The first of our four primary services is Unify. We like to start here. This is a move away from spreadsheets and email and onto online platforms that can be had for as little as a few $100s a month. Oftentimes, they will have templates for various things like GDPR, CCPA, verticals like healthcare, finance, government. They will contain readiness questionnaires so that you can decide where you are now and where you need to go. They're a perfect place for tracking and managing progress, and another great way to collaborate, to take notes, to attach documents like contracts and surveys, and they're a wonderful way to show where you've been and how you got to where you are, and to help you continue on this quest. The second of our primary services is to automate. The goal here is to reduce human error and to reduce cost. In essence, to automate what might be done manually otherwise. The focus is on automating simple and straightforward tasks first. This is often found in threat detection and the execution of compliance tasks. And it is typically a communication between one application with another. There's a specific area in privacy called data discovery, where machine learning can be used to automatically identify private, sensitive, and confidential data to help you manage it, track it, and protect it. Our third primary service is security or secure. This is arguably the most important as every compliance privacy law requires special attention to this area. It includes desktops, laptops, smartphones, edge devices, and so forth. It includes collaboration platforms like Zoom and Slack. It also considers the move to the cloud, private and public clouds, and more modernly, the move to serverless computing, where application security has become paramount. We leverage all technologies across all of these areas to bring about the proper, coherent, and holistic security that you require. Our fourth primary service is audit. We are capable of auditing virtually every compliance framework. This can include an informal internal review, which also includes privacy impact assessments and data protection impact assessments. This can also include assisting with preparing for an audit, review of workflows and available resources. The hottest topic now is third-party and vendor assessments. Whether you're looking to work with a vendor or third party and need help assessing them, or whether you are a vendor or third party that needs to become compliant with some framework in order to do business with somebody else. I would like to point out that Privacy Labs is exceptionally well qualified in this whole area because of our ability to cover all of the major aspects of audit. Well, that's it. Thank you for your time and letting us tell you who we are, our value to you, and how we do what we do. Please check back for future videos on automation, security, machine learning, and explainability of artificial intelligence, which we think you'll find fascinating. Please consider us for your next project. Always feel free to reach out for a call. Happy to discuss your needs. Thank you again.